Okay, I'm actually recording the class for right now. I started this. Okay, maybe this is third video if I'm not wrong, or second video. I don't remember. Okay, this is for the drawing trigonometric graphs and all. Now, okay, I want you guys to do B part because we left question number 14A last time, if I remember this correctly. So we are doing B part now. Finish it on your own. Then after
So,
5 minutes,
so answer. So,
show you the answer. Okay, who else is done? Joy, you are done. Okay, I'll show the answer, but I want to see who else is done. Who else is done? Hmm? Okay, nobody is done yet. I can show the answer right now. Let them finish it first. Let them come to me then. Okay, so this was the answer for the first one. Okay, and this is the answer for the second one. Okay, you saw how they manage this thing range. You have to make sure your range is fine. Okay, so we are doing cos theta by 3. In this cos theta by 3, what you have to do is you have to multiply all your x-axis multiply by 3. So your graph will be stretched here. Can you see it got stretched? Look at this graph. Then in the previous one, it was 2. Money bracketed bhitore. Your graph will be divided. Your x coordinates will be divided by 2. Okay. Now trying doing this. I already taught you in last class what is the meaning of f of. What is the meaning of this? This is exactly that. I taught you last class. Do this and let me know. Okay,
done.
so this is the answer 10 of minus x. It will be reflection in the, I think, y-axis. It will be reflection in the y-axis. So it got reflected. Normal tan graph looks something different. This is, so anybody has any idea over here? Like any doubts for me?
Mhm.
Barcode of my driving license card. What the hell? Oh, this one. Okay. So do I have anything else over here? Let me check. Then I'll go to the latest paper and start doing the sums with you all. The graph shows curve. Okay. Write down the coordinates of the point where the curve crosses the x-axis. Okay. Let's try doing these questions over here. You know what? Not instead of doing these questions, let me go directly to P1 files. Directly to P1 files. Let's try that. The screen sharing period is paused. Vijay, tuition. A-level maths, AS maths, October 2020 na kole bhalo October 2019 kori WMA 02 WMA 12 থাকার কথা না, if I'm not wrong. That is P2, right? 12. Okay, this is P2. Yes, P2. Everybody can see the paper na. So let us find any sine, tan, cos related sum over here, which we can do. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, it will come in P1 na. Why I'm doing P2? P1, P1. Let's start. Okay, not there, not there, not there, not there. Okay, I think this was a tough question. I have a hard time doing this. Okay, okay, no problem. Let's try. Let's try. Okay. So they said figure 5 shows a sketch of the part of the curve C with equation y is equal to sine open bracket x by 12, where x is measured in radian. The point M shows in figure 5 is a minimum point on C. Okay. State the period of C. State the period of C. This is the curve C, right? And this is the equation that has been given to me. Now, where x is measured in radian, okay, x is measured in radian. The M shows the figure 5 is a minimum point on C. Good enough. Now, who can tell me this one mark question? What is the period of C over here? It is sine graph. Who can tell me this period of C? Yalla. Common sense use করে বলো সবাই কেউ আমাকে
360.
The problem is if it is a sine x graph, yes, but this is not a sine x graph. Bakira, try
360 12
12.
into 12. Should we do that?
You have to multiply by 12. Yes, correct. So 360 into 12.
So 24 pi.
Huh?
24 pi.
Bakira, Shabai, rest of you guys understood why it is 360 multiplied by 12? Everyone? In normal sine x graph,
Yes.
start from 0, goes over here, it is 360. But the problem is this is divided by 12 and inside the bracket. So if it is divided by 12, inside the bracket, your y value will remain same, but your x value will get multiplied by 12. It's ulta always. So here your value is 360. So it should be actually 2 pi. 2 pi into 12, that is going to be 24 pi. Because they themselves said, okay, it's measured in radian. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Bagheera Shabai, understood?
Yes.
Period means axis.
Period means the time taken to complete one cycle. Why are you saying me this now? Period means time taken to complete one cycle. Understood?
Yes.
Okay then. State the coordinates of M. Now they want the coordinates of M. Now M is going to be 180 degree. Okay, now before M was 360 and 270. Before M was 270. Okay, and this was -1. Yes, this was -1. So -1 will remain -1, but it was 270 before. Now it will get multiplied by 12. So 270 multiplied by 12, how much? Check. Not 270. 270 how much? 270 is this is pi. This is sorry, this is pi by 2. This is pi. This is 2 pi. I think this is 3 by 2 pi. 3 by 2 pi multiplied by 12. That's going to be 18 pi if I'm not wrong. It's going to be 18 pi comma -1.
Yes.
You guys got it? Whether it is everyone.
Yeah.
Sujata,
Yes.
Mariam,
Yes. Everybody.
where is Kai? Somebody sent message to Kai. Where is he? Why is he not joining today? What happened to him? Okay, so now I will check the mark scheme now, so that because I did not do this sum directly. আমরা বইয়ের থেকে যেগুলো করছি, those are very normal sums. So let me just see it from here. Whether my answers are correct, because there is no use if my answers are wrong. And which question number is this? Question number 9. Yes, correct. Good answer. Now, next, the smallest possible solution, positive solution of the equation sine x by 12 is equal to k. Sine smallest, okay. K is a constant, okay, is alpha. Basically, find in terms of alpha the negative solution of the equation sine x by 12 equals to k that is closest to 0. That is closest to 0. How much mark is it? This is 2 marks question. So let me re-see this question. This was, I remember when I saw it first time, it was a tough question. So I had to take help. So the smallest positive solution of the equation, where k is constant, where k is a constant value, okay, is alpha. Find in terms of the negative solution of the equation. Uh, I'm not getting this. Give me 5 minutes. Let me see this and let me try to answer it. Give me 5 minutes. I'll get this for you. I remember last time I solved it. It's a very different question. They teach you something, they ask you something. First two questions were good enough. Now the next question, they actually complicated it a lot. They're trying to say the smallest possible solution, positive solution of the equation so and so. Sine x by 2, 12 is equal to k. This is alpha. Alpha is my x-axis. Alpha is my x-axis. Where k is constant is alpha. Okay. Find in terms of alpha the negative solution of the equation. Okay, let me just check it out. Give me 5 minutes. Manner, if you guys can, this is a very tough question, the this part, C part. If you guys can figure it out in a very easy manner, let me know, or if from the teachers. But I'm not getting anything. Little, I don't have anything for this question. The first part. Second part is even more complicated than that, because instead of sine graph, they give you cos graph. Okay, so I have no idea how this is done. Let me go to next question. Another question. Observe October 2019. Let me go to June 2019. You want? Mm-hmm. Okay, these are the question that has been given to us. Okay, this is a graph. I think first few questions you guys can do on your own. They said y is equal to 4 sine theta. Figure 3 shows a plot of sine graph. Correct? Okay. State the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve. Okay. A part you guys can do on your own. Check. A part you guys can do on your own. Check. What is the minimum point? Who can tell me? Mariam, Marwa, can you guys tell me what is the minimum point here? Hello? Mariam,
270 minus 4.
can you see your this is outside the bracket. So it's outside the bracket. That means it will get multiplied by this thing. So yes, correct. Whatever Ahmed, what it was, whatever Ahmed said, your coordinate, they said it to do the coordinate. The coordinate is going to be 270 comma minus 4. Understood everyone?
Yes, yes.
Mariam, Maria, Sujata, Salma, all understood? Why is it 270 comma minus 4? Are you
Yes.
Can
guys
you
there?
explain?
Sujata, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Maria, you are there?
Yes, yes,
Reply na. Did you understand this?
Yes.
yes.
Okay. Now Nabil said he wants an explanation again. Nabil, there is a 4 outside. This looks like y is equal to 4 fx to you. So you have to multiply all your y coordinates by 4. What is the y coordinate I
Oh,
have?
yeah, yeah.
Minus 1 into 4. So minus, and x coordinate does not change. So 270 comma minus 4. Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Then they're saying on the diagram, so you guys will do this again on your own. It's a sine theta graph. Draw a graph of 1 plus sine theta and y is equal to tan theta for me. You guys will do this. Let me stop the recording. You guys know how to do this. Okay, so this is the graph. Let me just show for the recording. This is the graph answer for that. This is October. This is June 2019, if I'm not wrong. June 2019 paper. Okay. So yeah, or maybe June 2000. No, June 2019 paper. Yes. So this is the answer for A and B. Now they are asking for C part. Tan theta is equal to 1 plus sine theta. Tan theta equals to 1 plus sine theta, and you have to draw it from here to here. You don't have to draw actually, you have to show how many solutions are there. You have to show how many solutions are there. And what is the meaning of solution? These wherever the graph is cutting the x-axis, it means it's a solution. Now, so you know how does one single graph look like? Okay, you know what is going to happen over here. You have to just tell me how many solutions are there. Yalla, tell me guys, how many solutions are there? You know that this graph is going to go +1 upward. Okay, but and it is from 0 to 36. Sorry, which one is it? This one. Okay, it's 0 to, this graph will shift +1 upward. Okay, and you have to draw it from 0 to 2160, but you don't have to draw it, to be honest. You don't have to draw it. You have to just show how many solutions will be there. Tell me that. তোমরা কি figure out করতে পারছো না? You guys are confused in this.
Show answer. I'm not sure if mine is correct.
Okay, so you have to start from 0, and you can see if you draw two graphs, how many solutions are there in two graphs? 1, 2,
So here they're saying 1 plus sine theta, right? Why are you
yeah.
taking sine theta graph?
Theta means the graph will go vertically upward, but the number of crossing will be same only, na? Yes or no?
The number of crossing will change.
The number, oh wait, they said tan theta is equal to 1 plus sine theta.
Sine theta.
Number of solutions question. Oh, no. It has to do something with this. Look. Let's see. I forgot about this one. Let me, okay. Look at the answers. If you did the sketching in the same graph, you saw this is 1 plus sine theta, yeah? This is 1 plus sine theta, yes? And this is sorry, the blue color line is tan theta, yes?
Yes.
Okay, and they both are crossing where here. This is where they both are equal to each other. Yes or no? Online people?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So how many solutions are you are getting in 360 degree? How many solutions are you getting in 360 degree? 2 solutions. Okay, so in 2160 divided by 360, how many solutions will be, sorry, how many times will your graph be repeated? 360. 6 times. So each time it gets repeated, you're getting 2 solutions. So in 6 times, how much solutions will you get?
2.
12.
So
12
12.
solutions. The first answer is 12. There is 12 solutions. Look, now again I'm telling you. In 360 degree, how many solutions? 2 solutions. So in 2160, how many solutions? Do in your calculator, find the answer. I'll say the answer. 12 solutions. There is. Understood? Everyone, online people. Rafiq,
Yeah.
you need to practice these questions from latest paper a lot, by the way. And what I see, you need a bit of P2 knowledge also over here, because previous sum which I got stuck, it has a bit of P2 knowledge. With that, I don't know, like maybe you're going to lose some marks here if you don't know this properly, because you need a bit of P2. Because back in the days, this subject used to be P2 and P1 same. Sorry, P2, in P2 only this whole subject was there. Now they divided and made it much more complicated. Okay, so if for everyone, B part is, sorry, C part, first part is over, right? C first part is over, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Maria, Sujata, everyone, Nabil,
Yes.
Yes.
understood?
Yes.
Understood, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Again, same story, but now 1980. Same story, 1980. So let me do 1980. How much time will it repeat? Check. 1980 divided by 360.
5.5.
5.5 means half the time. Okay, 2 into 5 plus 2 into 0.5 times. Okay, because your other graph is complete. So other graph, there is only one solution. There is 10 solutions here, total 11 solution. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes.
Why 2 into 0.5?
Because they said 5.5 money 5 complete times and 0.5 other, basically other time.
Okay.
Okay, so this part is also done. This graph is also done. Let me do some other latest paper. Today all latest paper I'm going to do from here. So that June 2019. Now, if I remember Jan 2019 এর কিছু আসেও নাই. Okay, I can do from the this thing. Jan 2019 এ P1 ছিল. Jan 2019 এ P1 আসছে. Yes, I remember that. Yes, P1. Yes, we got it here. Good enough. Can you guys see the graph? Okay, now they say the figure 2 shows a plot of part of the curve with equation y is equal to cos 2x with x being measured in radian. Now the p shows the point p shown on figure 2 is a minimum point on the curve. P is the minimum point. Okay, state the coordinates of p. What kind of graph is it? It's a cos 2x graph. Okay, in normal cos 2x graph, the first minimum comes when this is 90. First minimum comes at 180. Okay, 180 means the first minimum comes at pi, but this has been divided by 2, so definitely the coordinate here is going to be pi by 2 minus 1. Everyone understood or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
No, Rafiq, unfortunately I really don't have any other question except these, because these are the only papers that I have, and this is newly included in the syllabus. So yeah.
Are these questions there in P2 and all or anything?
Yes, these questions will continue much more advanced in P2 as well. I have October 2020 with me, so let's see. Okay, let's continue. I hope everyone understood. Then they said a copy of the figure 2 called diagram 1 shown at the top of the next page. So they gave a copy here to you. Then they said sketch the diagram y is equal to sine x over there. Okay, so we are going to do y is equal to sine x. You guys will not be able to do it. Okay, so let's see. This is pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what? This is 90, right? Let me just give it 90. For আমি confirm করবো এগুলো. So 1, 2, 3. 4 line is 90. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 180. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 270. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 360, and so and so. So they told us to draw this thing, sine graph. Na? Sine graph will go from here. This is the maximum point. Okay, and this is the minimum point. Okay, no, so it will touch here. Okay, then 270 it will touch here as well. Okay, 90, 180, 270, 360. Everyone understood this graph? Sine graph?
Yes.
Everyone?
Full x axis করতে হবে?
Did they give me any range? ওরা কোনো range দেয় নাই. So yeah, let's see the marks scheme what they said. Question number 5. Okay, they did even negative also. They did the whole thing. Sine curve 0, 0, passing through 0, 0, maximum, minimum, +1, -1, fully correct. Understood? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So let's continue then. Let's continue from here. It goes over, sorry. It continues going over here. It should pass through 0, 0 apparently. Be very careful. Okay, then again 360 top and bottom. Okay, done. Then they said, hence or otherwise reduce the number of solutions. Just like before. How many solutions are there in 360? Just check. How many solutions are there in 360 degree? I'm having one solution here and two solution. Two solution in 360 degree. No, three solutions actually. Can you guys see there are three solutions are here in 360 degree? Everyone? So,
Yes.
so then they said 20 pi. 20 pi. Okay. So 20 pi means this thing 20 divided by 20 pi divided by 2 pi. 2 pi is one cycle. Pi cancel 10. So there are 10 solutions. 10 times it will repeat. If it repeats 10 times, yeah, there is going to be 30 solutions for sure. Agree? Everyone? Agree?
Yes.
Okay. So there are 30 solutions because 3 times in 360 degree. Okay, let's do the next one. 21 pi. Okay, let's see that now. Now if it is 21 pi, that means let's face it, pi means what? 180 degree now. Now can you see, if you can see it properly, this is 180 degree, yes? Just let me show you. This is 180 degree, right? Now 0 to 180 degree, how many solutions are there in between? Between 0 to 180 degree?
2.
Two solutions. Okay. So within 20 solutions, there were 30 solutions were there. Within 20 pi, within 20 pi, there were 30 solutions. So 21 pi, that means 20 pi plus 1 pi, right? In 1 pi, in 20 pi, how many solutions are there? 30 solutions are there.
30.
So within 1 pi, there is going to be two more solutions, right? So there is going to be 32
Yes.
solutions. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone? Sujata? Maria? Rafiq? Everyone?
So how to?
How to? Now, Joy, check the solution over here. Let me go to the cleaner diagram. Look, 0. Here, this is solution. There is one pi here. Now, this is pi. In one pi, how many solutions are there?
2.
Okay. So, two solutions. So, let's say your 30 solution, sorry, your 20 pi ended over here. Another pi continued, right? So, in that another pi, how many solutions got added? In 20 pi, 30 solutions got added. In another 1 pi, how many? Plus 2 more solutions. So, therefore, 32 solutions. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, then. Let's continue. Let's see the mark scheme. Yes. Everybody, are you guys done with this doubt or not? Tell me. Everyone.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now. Then let me check. Is there anything else I do have? Yeah, I have October 2020 with me. I'll do that also with you all. Better. So that you guys get more exposure to this sum. And your job is to what? Your job is to repeat these sums home and come and practice them. And again, I'm telling you, everyone, those who didn't get the paper from me, come take the paper from me in flash, please. Okay. And Kai didn't join today, as far as I know. I don't know why didn't he join. Good question. I didn't do this question yet, so I might struggle a bit. Let me see. If it is easy, then I'll do it. If they made it as complicated the previous one, then I'll have some issues. Okay, whatever, not an issue. Now, okay, how many of you can take this graph, okay, and translate it to this graph? This is so we know, all of us know, na? This is from another chapter which Sujata and all did not do. Okay, you know what? Let me do it. Let me do from here then. Better. This is the one. We are doing this one now. So let's do this. So they told us K is constant. They gave us an equation. Okay. Okay. The curve meets the y-axis at point 0, root 3 and passes through point P, 0 and Q, 0. Okay, let's see. Find the value of K. Okay, find the value of K. Okay, let's try to make some equation here. Okay, tin market journal. They said us to find the value of K. Now, what is my y-axis? Root 3. Yes. What is my y-axis here? Root 3? Yes or no? And what is my x-axis? 0, right? Can I write K cos 0 plus pi by 6? Can I do this? Yes or no? Everyone. They said us to find the K. So now, all of you keep your calculator in radian, which most of you know, I'm pretty sure. All of you keep your calculator in radian. Which is Sujata and all. You guys know what radian and all. Sujata, you know what radian, right? Maria, what are you doing? Sujata, you know what
Yes.
radian?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then fine. Then fine. Okay, keep your calculator in radian. Okay. Tell me how much is cos pi by 6 in your calculator. But make sure your calculator should be in radian. Tell me.
Root 3 by
Root
2.
3 2
Root 3
by 2.
Divide by 2.
K into root 3 by 2. Now root 3 gets cancelled. I think K is 2. Your answer. They said to find answer na K. I think K is 2. Let me see the mark scheme. Okay. How much is it? Which question number? Question number 5. Uh-huh. 5. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. So everybody clear with this doubt, na? Everyone
Yes.
cool. Naveen,
Yes.
Yes.
good. Now the exact value of P and the exact value of Q. Let's find that. Now, what is the value of P? What is 0 here? Y is 0 here, right? So in place of your Y, give 0. Okay, in place of your Y, give 0. So 0 equals to K cos, what's your X value? I think that's what we are supposed to find, na? Yes, that's what we are supposed to find. Cos P plus pi by 6. Now, if you bring this K over here, it will be 0 and it's going to be cos P plus pi by 6. Now, no, actually P is equal to,
Can't we just do the normal?
okay,
We
let me
know
write
the K
P,
constant now, right?
let me write P, let me write X. Wait, will be, let me write X. Tell me what are you trying to say? What were you trying to say?
Can't we do like 2 cos x plus pi by 6? So P
Yeah, but
should be 90, right? So
okay.
90 minus pi by 6.
Yes, that also can be done. That also can be done. What you just say, and that also can be done. That means all our, you mean to say all our X value got shifted by minus pi by 6. That's what you're trying to say?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Okay, let us see whether we are getting answer with this or not. Okay, tell me what is cos inverse of 0. Tell me what is cos inverse of 0 you guys are getting. But it should be in radian. Your calculator should be in radian. Cos inverse
Half
of,
Pi.
pi.
1
huh?
by 2 pi.
1 by 2 pi. When pi by 2 are key.
Yes.
So this is pi by,
Yes.
Yes.
this is pi by 2, x plus pi by 6. Okay, can you do pi by 2 minus pi by 6? Pi by 2 minus pi by 6, how much is it in your calculator?
Pi by 3.
Pi by 3.
See it is pi by 3 or not. It is pi by 3. So if we got our pi by 3, we know the difference between P to Q is how much? Pi, na? So this is going to be pi by 3 plus pi. That is going to be, I think, 4 pi by 3. Understood, everyone? Since I got 1, the other one is going to be 180. Sorry, 180. That means another one is pi plus, because there is a half a cycle difference between them. Everyone got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone else got it?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, done. Latest papers are also done. Finished. Okay. Now let's stop the recording for the time being.